Captain George Wong Trapp and Maria Rina were a newly married couple. They were devoted to each other and openly affectionate.
Love is more than a word. It says so much. When I see these four letters, almost feel your touch. Maria, thank you for being a good companion to me.
George, you're touching the value of love. I may not always be perfect. I promise to love you with all my heart. I need you.
I really want to stay, but I can't. When you enlisted in the army, as you know, I was decorated for the bravery.
Your life grew really hard, Captain. Those Nazi soldiers killed numerous people. The oppression of the Jews horrified me so much.
Afraid Nazi soldiers were real. In order to see you again, I'll be back very soon.
If I were a man, I would go with you. If I were a fool!
Really?
We won't meet each other in a long period of time. Let's have a farewell meal before you leave.
That's a great idea.
Captain and Maria had a dinner at a famous restaurant.
What? What? Countless mouth-watering delicacies are being served by waiters.
This restaurant is known for its excellent machine. I've ordered plenty of dishes for you. Isn't it great, George?
Oh, let me see. Yo, Chad, what's up, man? How's that curry cake, 7 noodle, lobster noodles, fried rice, traveling goose, and cheesecake? How many dishes have you ordered? I'm not sure if I can finish them all.
Never mind. There isn't a surcharge of leftover food. Just eat what you want and throw the rest away.
This is the main point. You shouldn't order too much food.
Why shouldn't I?
Wasting food while others are starving is the greatest behavior. Due to the wars and the backward economies, when the African children are suffering from the malnutrition, they starve every day.
Shut up!
Really?
Suddenly, it thundered and lightened. Maria and Captain were struck by lightning and fell in a faint. Background scene change. After a while, Maria and Captain woke up. However, something strange happened.
Hey, what's happened? Hey, come here, Maria! Oh my God, my voice and my clothes changed. How become you, Captain? I have found a woman I can sing as beautifully as Maria did. Oh, stop your old tune, Captain. Very intelligent dress in the pair of white high heels. Yeah! This minute, I look incongruous in this military uniform. Imagine what's going to happen if we saw the same year. You tease me. I can't face that. I can't be a singer anymore, as I've lost my beautiful voice. Dear God, why did you do that? I want to be myself.
Maria and Captain felt depressed and gloomy. One day, a fairy appeared.
Hi, Captain and Maria. Who are you? Why are you here? Don't be that close to us! I'm a fairy. I'm going to help you solve the problem you are facing. Do you mean this we can help ourselves? What I mean is, can I have a deeper voice again? Yes.
Why do you have us? Don't know you.
The reason is unimportant. You should give us a clear explanation. This is an order.
George, just let it go. Let it go. Yeah.
Please give us a clear explanation. Otherwise, we receive this help.
George.
Okay, fine. Please don't be sad after you listen about the facts. The god told me that he has had enough of Maria's new voice and Captain ugly love. So he told me he ordered me to help you guys.
Stop cheating us! Tell us the truth!
The god was really angry.
Why was he angry?
You wasted a lot of food. Really?
I'm telling you, that's the word too much food. No, the god is not the truth. I'm sorry, George. Please forgive me.
It seems that you feel guilty about wasting the food. I'm going to help you solve the problem.
When Fairy wants to help them, he suddenly fell down and he slipped on a banana peel. He used a war method on Captain and Maria, and the spell on them couldn't be broken.
What's that? Why my voice become sharper and sharper? Me too. Why does my voice become deeper and deeper? I can't be a singer anymore.
Maria and Captain stare at S3E. They want to kill them.
Hi, everyone. Oh, strict noise. The hills are alive. That's nonsense. The first rule is discipline. You see, we are wonderful.
Like our scene change. After 2 years, Maria and Captain were having a walk along the mountain. Fairy follows them.
George, those mountains, they are magnificent. Fairy, we have been ourselves again. You have us by using your wonderful magic. Why can't you?
I don't know. I suddenly become Maria at this moment, but I may become Captain. My voice becomes sharper now, but it was very deep 2 minutes ago.
Maybe you did something wrong.
And God decided to punish you. Oh my God!
Captain emphasized with the fairy. He implored the fairy to be his chef. Captain and Maria have learned that they should never waste any food.